So I'm just going with this face palette from UCanBe, and we're taking the white shade first, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Now this face paint is quite cool because it's really thick, but you don't have to add water or anything to it. I've just been using this straight from the pan, and it is really full coverage and really good. Only thing I will say is it does crease a little bit, so like, if you are going to use these paints, then definitely put some powder over the top after you have applied the paints, just to stop any creasing. So first off, I'm just going with this white, and I'm just placing this all over my face. Then I'm just taking some Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is a white shade, and I'm just placing this all over my face with this little powder puff. I'm just setting all that face paint. Now I'm just going to take this purple colour here and the black, and we're just going to start on the eyes. Now we're going to make this quite grungy, quite smoky, quite evil looking. So I'm just taking the black colour first. This was the first time I'd actually used this palette, so I was kind of testing it out as well to see how good it was. Now I'm just going over this black with the dark black shade that's in this Gothic palette from Cosmic Beauty, and every time I'm going in with some face paint, I'm just going over the top with an eyeshadow colour as well, just to give it that kind of intensity, and also just to set the creams as well. Now I'm just going back and forth with a black and a dark purple colour, and we are just going under the eyes with the dark purple, and again we're just going to make this really grungy and really smoky and messy looking. Now I'm just taking this dark purple colour from the Gothic palette, and we're just going round the edges with that, adding some purple and some deep red colours. It's just to give it that kind of vampirous, kind of purplish look. I'm just going back and forth, smudging all that out, just making it really smoky. I've actually been watching a lot of Vampire Diaries, so I've seen this look quite a lot. Then I'm just taking a grey eyeshadow again, and I'm just going to kind of contour the rest of my face with this grey shade. I'm also going to bring this round my head as well, just to add that depth a little bit more. We do go back and forth, and we make this a lot darker. Just doing down the nose as well. Again, just come back and forth, darkening up the eyes with some dark eyeshadow. We're using the blacks, we're using the dark purples, and then I do go in with a deep kind of browny red shade as well. Now I'm just going to take these brushes that I did actually get with this face paint set, and we're going to go in with the purple and the red, and we're going to do some veins here just to make it look really vampire-y. So again, we're just taking this red and a little bit of the purple, and we're just kind of deepening up the kind of eye sockets. I'm then just taking one of the little fine brushes, I think this was brush 3 from the UCanBe brush set, and I'm just going in with the red face paint, and I'm just drawing some little like red veins, just to give it that kind of vampire effect. This will look even better if you've got a full costume, maybe like jet black hair or like a wig or something, even crazy contacts as well, this would look really, really cool with. But I'm just showing you the makeup side of things. I'm not very good with the hair and everything else. Again, just come back and forth, just deepening up that contour with that greyish shade. I do end up doing the like top half of my body as well, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to do that. Just going in with some black paint around the lips, just making the lips quite grungy looking. Then I'm adding a little bit of the purple to the centre. Then I'm just going in with a black liner on the eyes. We're just going to darken up the eyes. Taking the white, and I'm just going to do the rest of the top half of my body, just so that it's just so that it's like a full look. I think I'm going to add some bite marks as well. So I'm using purple and I'm using black, and then we're going to do some like bite marks as well. So I'm just doing some circles, and then I'm just adding the red face paint. And I'm making sure there's some purple, like for bruising and stuff, so it looks like I've basically been through the wars. And then I decided to add some kind of blood and stuff down by my mouth, so it looked like I'd maybe been biting something. And then I'm just going to smudge all this out, just to make it look like I've been eating something. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys like. Please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.